The next dance that Andy Howard and I is a kind of a, what do you call it, a medley? Not a medley, but it's 3 reels. I guess a lot of Irish songs are done that way, where they have 3 different songs and they just put them all together and you got one song and you got like, oh, what is it, like 32, like 128 beats of one song, 128 of the next, and 128. I hope I did the math right. Anyway, the first one is called Jackie Coleman's, and I did this part, so I'm going to show you. Part 8, we're actually going to wait out the first 16 beats so you can catch the beat and how it goes. We're going to do a heel pull basic forward, heel pull step and a basic. You're going to do a tap 2 brush. If you did my dance bounce, it's in it. You go double back, tap, tap, brush up. So tap 2 brush just starts with a double back. You tap 2 and brush it up. You're gonna do a triple moving back and a fancy double. So heel pull basic forward, tap 2 and brush. Triple move back, fancy double. That's your part A. Part B, we're gonna do a rooster run, a rock double as you turn to the back. Then you're gonna do a modar. So this is a step I made up. I took Morgan Hudson's, he has a step that's called the Mo kick, I think. But anyway, I took the first 4 beats of that step and then I changed the ending. So we're gonna call it dare after Darylyn. So I call it a modar. I put it in a few of my dances lately. It looks like this. Double step, double front, double out, heel, heel, pause, heel, heel up, basic step. All right, so the modar. Double step, double front, double out, heel, 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 heel up, basic step. Here's the count. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So you're going to do a rooster run, a rock double to the back, and a modar, and then you're going to repeat it to the front. Let's try. Rooster run, rock double, and turn. Modar, double step, double front, double out, heel, 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 heel up, rooster run. Rock double to the front, rock step. Modar, double step, double front, double out, heel, 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 heel up, basic step. So we're going to do part A, the heel pull basic, tap 2 brush, triple back, and a fancy double. We're going to do part B, that's your rooster run, rock double, turning, modar, repeat to the front. We're going to do A again, that's your heel pull basic, tap 2 brush, but we're going to do it twice. Now instead of turning, we're going to do it to the corners. So you're going to repeat it, that you're going to go heel pull step and a basic, tap 2 with a brush, triple move back, and fancy double. And then you do the exact same thing to the right corner. And then we do part B again. So here's the first song in this trio of songs. This is the Jackie Coleman part. All right, we're gonna wait out 16 beats. Where are we here? Here we go. Ready, 5, 6, heel pull basic. Tap 2 brush, triple back, fancy double, rooster run, rock double, turn, modar, heel, 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 heel up, rooster run, rock double and turn, modar, double step, double front, double out, heel, 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 heel up, heel pull basic, corner, tap 2 and brush, triple back, fancy double. Heel pull basic, tap 2 brush, triple back, fancy double, part B, rooster run, rock double and turn, modar, double step, double front, double out, heel, 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 heel up, rooster run, rock double, turn, modar, heel, 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 heel up. Now the music changes. All right, so now it becomes Bag of Spuds. So I'm going to pass it over to Andy to teach you his part.
Thanks, Darylyn. It's my turn. You guys, this music is Irish session music. So compared to old-timer bluegrass music, It's more typical for Irish musicians, particularly in pubs or set dance settings, to play their songs in medleys, in groups. They call them sets. So this is a terrific set of Irish music. These happen to be reels, and so they're in 4/4 time if you're a musician. So they're easier for cloggers to dance to. Some of us love Irish music, but a lot of the jigs are in jig time, 6/8 time, and that's really hard for clogging. It's more appropriate for Irish dancing and French Canadian dancing and even tap dancing, but clogging doesn't do so well. But these are great 4/4 reels for you, and this one that I'm going to teach you next is the second song in this set, called Bag of Spuds. So let's get started. Jackson, go to night. Go to night. Alright, so 2 parts. We're going to start off with a Joey moving forward. So double step, back, out, step, back, out, step. And then a toe slide immediately in a double basic. So the right foot hits the toe slide, left foot's in the air, then double basic. Okay, so let's do that with no turns. Joey, toe slide, double basic. 5, 6, Joey on the left, toe slide, double basic. Okay, that's all of this part, which is C, part C. And on the toe slide, we're going to turn a quarter, and we're going to do all 4 walls. Let's try it. 5, 6, Joey and go. Turn on the toe slide, a quarter left, and a double basic. Repeat, Joey. Toe slide, double basic. Joey. Toe slide, turn. One more. Toe slide, double basic. Good, nice and easy. That's part C. Part D is going to be a clog over 4. So the first 4 counts of a clog over vine, double step, double over, double step, double behind, and then a chain left and clap. Right foot's free to do a Laura's way, and I'm going to show you the way I prefer it, but to get into that I'll show you kind of the way that Laura's way is broken down first, and then I'll show you how to add the bounce like I like it. So the right foot's going to start off with a stomp, double step with left foot across in front of the right, double step, and then we're going to kind of do like a mountain goatee, some balls here to uncross. Right foot starts, right, left, right foot in front, and then the left foot's actually going to go out and lift the heel. So your heel's planted, your toe comes up. So that much so far. Right foot's free, stomp, double step, run, 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 run with a heel. 5, 6, stomp on the right, stomp, double step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a lot of times when we have a heel like this, we stomp on it next. We're going to lift it. So lift, basic, and brush. Alright, so that whole step with no turns goes stomp, double step, ball, 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 heel, lift, basic, and a brush. Alright, with a turn it goes stomp, double step, ball, 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 heel, lift, basic, and turn on the brush, half right shoulder. Okay, but here's my style. And part of this I think also is because I prefer on those balls, I don't prefer that we move so far to the left when we do it, and that's not really how I remember it in the 80s. We just kind of have a style of dancing that was hard to describe. Well, I lost most of the stuff. So here's what I remember this being, and this is the way I like doing it. It goes stomp, double step, ball, ball, bounce, heel. Then you're kind of in place. You didn't move over there. Then everything else is the same. Lift and a basic with a brush and a turn. 5, 6, staying to the front. We've got stomp, double step, ball, ball, bounce, heel. Lift and a basic with a brush. 5, 6, I'll count it this time, and 1, and a 2, and 3, and 4, lift on 5, 6, 7, brush on 8. Okay, put the turn back in, 5, 6, lower as we go, and turning half. Alright, let's take it from the clog over 4 and the chain. Jackson, are you standing in everyone's way? Go night night. Night night. Go night night. Good boy. 5, 6, clog over 4. And a chain to the left and clap. Right foot's free, lowers way with a bounce. Stomp, double step. Lift, brush and turn. Repeat to the back. 5, 6, clog over 4. Chain to the left. Right foot's free, lowers way. Lift, basic brush and turn. Okay, a little bit faster. 5, 6, clog over 4. Chain left. Lowers way. Turn it. Clog over 4. Chain left. Right foot lowers way with a bounce. Boom. That's all of this part. Okay, next song is Bird in the Bush. And there, in this medley, this is the next song coming up. And we split this one up. So Darylyn had a song, I had a song, and the Bird in the Bush we did together. So Darylyn, over to you.
Okay, thanks Andy. Let's do his part to music now. Part C, D, C, and D. This is the Bag of Spuds part. I hope I set it up right. Ready? 5, 6, Joey forward. Toe slide, double basic. Joey. Toe slide and double basic. Joey. Toe slide, double basic. One more time. Toe slide, clog over 4. Chain. My way bounce. Brush up. Oh, I forgot. Clog over chain. My way. Stomp, double step, ball, ball, ball. You. Joey. Toe slide, double basic. Joey. Toe slide and double basic. Again. Joey. One more. Toe slide, double basic. Clog over 4. Chain. My way bounce. Clog over 4. Chain. My way. Stomp, double step, ball, ball, bounce. Heel, jump. All right. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to go over the My Way bounce before I dance this. Go back to Andy's part and he'll teach it too. Okay, the last part, Bird in the Bush. I do part E, he does part F. So I'm going to show you E first. We'll pass it over to Andy and then back to me. E, super easy. We're going to do 2 Charleston brushes. And we're going to do a cowboy to the left corner. 1, 2, 3, and shake. 2 Charleston brushes. And a cowboy to the right corner. Easy enough, right? So 2 Charleston brushes, cowboy to the left corner, same footwork, 2 Charleston brushes, but cowboy to the right corner. That's your part E. Andy's gonna show you part F.
Okay, one part left, and you know this whole entire song. And Jackson hears me talking, so here he comes again. He wants to be the star of the show, and that's okay. It's okay. But I would like you to go lay down in your night-night so that I can teach. Can you let me do that? All right, so we're going to get this started with an only wanna. Go lay down. Good boy. All right, left foot starts double step, right foot double out, rock step, toe slide. That's only wanna. So double step, double out, rock step, toe slide. We're gonna move to the right. Let's do that first. So double step, double out, rock, step. And actually it's a rock step, but when I do it in my style, you normally do back, front, and I do front, back on this. So double step, double out, front, back, toe slide. Okay? But we're also going to turn a quarter while we're moving to the right. So double step, double out, front, back, toe slide. And that turn also puts your steps where they're not crossing, which helps too. So it goes double step, double out, step, and then I step back because I've turned a quarter, toe slide. Okay? Then we're going to do a rocking chair to turn a quarter in our new place. So we've kind of typewriter, we started in our center. We're going to move a little to the right and turn a quarter. Staying in this new spot, we're going to do a rocking chair to turn another quarter, and then a high horse. Double step, double over, double out, rock step, toe slide, double basic. In case you need it, high horse. Double step, double over, double out, rock step, toe slide, double basic. Alright, let's put those 3 steps together. 5, 6, only one to the right, turn left. Rocking chair, turn a quarter. High horse. We're going to repeat everything next. Only one to the right, turning left. Here we go. Rocking chair to the front. High horse. One more time, maybe a little bit faster. 5, 6, only one to left foot. Rocking chair. High horse. Only one. Rocking chair. High horse. Okay, and this section, the bird in the bush, repeats too. So we did A-B, Darylyn's song, Jackie Coleman's. We did C-D, Bag of Spuds. And then E-F sections are this last tune, Bird in the Bush. And we repeat E-F, E-F twice. And the second time through, we end on this section. So after the high horse facing the front, the last time, you're going to add 1 extra brush. Okay, so it's like this, high horse and 1 brush, 1 count. 5, 6, left foot, go, high horse, and brush. That's it. Okay. Thank you guys. This is probably the last set of videos in this apartment because I'm moving to a new townhouse. Jackson and I have a new home. So it's been good to us here, but it's time to do something different. We're going to stay here in Atlanta. We're moving closer to the Chattahoochee River in a community with lots of dogs. So Jackson will have people to play with, puppies to play with. And but thanks for tuning in and say goodbye. In fact, the A that's usually up here is already in the other place. So soon I'll be relocated and some new videos come out in new settings. So say goodbye. Can you look at them and say goodbye? Bye-bye. All right. Enjoy dancing. Darylyn's going to do it with music.
All right, so we're going to try that part with music. So it's E, F, E, F, and then end it with a brush up. Here we go. Just going to back it up a little. 5, 6, Charleston brush. Cowboy. Charleston brush. Charleston brush. Cowboy. Only one and turn. Rocking chair. High horse. Only one. We're gonna put all 3 songs together. It's fast, slow it down if you want, but this is Jackie Coleman's Bag of Spuds, Bird in the Bush. That was 3 separate titles. All 3 songs are together. The artist is John Wieland. And by the way, it's available for download on Amazon, not on iTunes. But this music was just too good to pass up. So it can be found on Amazon. Contact Andy or me if you have problems finding it. Here we go. This is our new dance. We're gonna start with a heel pull basic, tap 2 brush, triple fancy double, 5, 6, heel pull basic, tap 2 brush, triple back, fancy double, rooster run, walk double to the back, modar, heel, 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 heel up, rooster run, walk double to the front, modar, heel, 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 heel up, heel pull basic, corner, tap 2 brush, triple back, fancy double, heel pull basic, tap 2 brush, triple back, fancy double, rooster run, walk double to the back, modar, heel, 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 heel up, rooster run, walk double to the front, modar, Joey move up, toe slide, double basic, Joey, toe slide, double basic, Joey, toe slide, one more time, toe slide, double basic, off over 4, chain and clap, my way, on 4, 1, 2, 3, chain, my way with a bounce, bounce heel, Joey, toe slide, double basic, Joey, toe slide and a double basic again, 1 more, toe slide, double basic, flop over 4, chain clap, my way with a bounce, 1 more, chain, my way with a bounce, Charleston brush, cowboy to the corner, Charleston brush, cowboy to the corner, holy wanna, rocking chair, high horse, holy wanna, rocking chair, high horse, we're almost there, Charleston brush, cowboy, Charleston brush, cowboy, only wanna, rocking chair, high horse, only wanna, double step, double up, 1, 2, 3, slide, rocking chair, high horse, add a brush at the end. Very good.
You gotta do it here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Sit down. Sit down. I'm not gonna touch you if you don't sit down. Lay down. Do something. Sit. Sit. Thank you. Daryl, you're gonna cut this out. All right.
Easy enough, right? So 2 Charleston brushes, cowboy to the left corner, same footwork, 2 Charleston brushes, but cowboy to the right corner. That's your part E. Andy's gonna show you part F. Ready? All right, so we're gonna try that part with music. Hi, this is Darylyn from Dare to Clog. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can click the links on the left for more videos like this.